If this is your first time here, glad you made it. And if you've been here before, you already know how we do things. Either way, you're watching the trade table. Your space for smart, no-fuss home solutions that actually work. Let's talk water. Over time, your refrigerator's filter traps all kinds of stuff like chlorine, minerals, even funky smells. Once it clogs up, your water quality drops fast. If your ice is cloudy or your water tastes off, it's probably not your fridge, it's the filter. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to change it, whether it's twist on, push in, or inline. No tools, no confusion, just step-by-step instructions from the tray table to get you back to clean, crisp water. Step 1. Find the right replacement filter. Not all filters fit every fridge. Check your owner's manual or look up your refrigerator's model number to get the correct replacement filter. Most fridges use carbon filtration to remove impurities. Some advanced models use ion exchange or reverse osmosis filters. Order the right filter ahead of time so you're ready when it's time to replace it. Step 2. How to change a refrigerator water filter for a twist-on water filter. Turn off the water supply to the fridge. Place a towel underneath to catch drips. Twist the filter counterclockwise and pull it out. Remove the old filter and insert the new one. Push the new filter in and twist clockwise until it locks. For a push-in water filter, turn off the water supply. Place a towel underneath. Press the release button or push the filter in to unlock it. Remove the old filter and transfer the cap if needed. Insert the new filter and push until it locks into place. For an inline water filter behind or under the fridge, unplug the fridge and pull it away from the wall. Place a bucket or towel under the water line. Disconnect the water line from the old filter. Remove fittings from the old filter and attach them to the new one. Reconnect the water lines and tighten securely. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. Step 3. Flush the new filter. After installing, run water through the dispenser for 2 to 5 minutes to flush out air and carbon particles. If your fridge doesn't have a dispenser, discard the first batch of ice. If the water flow is still slow, make sure the filter is properly locked in place. How often should you change your fridge water filter? Every 6 months or as recommended by the manufacturer. Replace it when the filter change indicator light turns on. If your water smells, tastes bad, or flows slowly, it's time for a new filter. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get cleaner water and a smoother filter swap, that's what we're here for. For more step-by-step eyes, appliance tips, and smart home solutions, head over to thetradetable.com because at the trade table, the fix is always within reach.